I stand in faith with you, believing God to perform a miracle in your life.
Today, we're going to create a powerful prayer for connection and healing. Let's start by asking for total connection, lots of silence, and careful attention. We will tune in with the guardian angels, inviting the angel of divine intervention and healing to join us. You are divine. You are already prosperous. The essence of God is within us, manifesting through clear, peaceful, and benevolent thoughts. Despair, anguish, and pessimism disconnect us from this divine kingdom. Remember, the kingdom of the eternal, inexhaustible source of prosperity is always knocking on our doors, but it cannot be perceived amidst worldly distractions and pessimistic thoughts. Stand firm and recognize these negative thoughts as illusions, not the true image of yourself. True prosperity lies in the treasures of heaven. Affirm. The kingdom of the eternal, inexhaustible source of prosperity, with its powerful intervention, sustains, organizes, heals, protects, and balances my emotional, physical, and mental structures. Bless me with your infinite wisdom, integrating it into all my being, positively influencing my life, and reactivating the divine memory that I'm already divine and prosperous. Prayer to the kingdom of eternal prosperity. O kingdom of the eternal, inexhaustible source of prosperity, I humbly come before you, seeking your divine intervention and grace. Bless me with your infinite wisdom, sustain, organize, and heal my life. Protect and balance my emotional, physical, and mental structures. Let your golden light penetrate my being, nourishing every cell, organ, and tissue, dissolving all illusions of scarcity, worry, pessimism, despair, and fear. Fill my heart with your abundant love. Remind me of the divine essence within, that I am already divine and prosperous, guided by your eternal light. May your powerful intervention manifest in every aspect of my life, bringing clarity, peace, and benevolence in all my thoughts and actions. I light this candle in your honor, with sincere and pure intention, to receive your divine guidance and to share your blessings with the world. O kingdom of the eternal, inexhaustible source of prosperity, thank you for your unwavering support, for being with me in every moment. I am grateful for your presence, for your infinite blessings and wisdom. I open my heart to receive and to spread your light and prosperity. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.